Hey, it's Robert from Freedom Factory, and I want to talk to you about a little pain point that we have in our business, and it's a business valuation calculator. And people look at real estate and tools like Zillow, or they look at Kelley Blue Book on cars, and they say, why don't you have a business valuation calculator? You've been doing this for so long. And the reality is, we'd love to. The problem is it's hard. And so there are a couple really good baselines, like revenue and earnings, and we can talk about guidelines and what that looks like. But what makes this so hard to do is you can take two businesses, same revenue, same earnings, worth vastly different multiples. I mean, literally 2, 3x each other, not even close. And that's because of the intangibles. There's so many things to a business, intellectual property, defensibility, software, that really make it a more complex discussion than just, hey, what are your earnings and you're worth 5 times that, hypothetically. Now, we're working with it. It's probably a little early to talk about it, but we're working with an amazing company to solve this problem, and we're going to have a solution soon. But in the interim, if you have any questions about how do you maximize the value of your business or what your business is worth, why don't you give us a call at Freedom Factory? We look forward to speaking with you soon.